Hi guys, it's Camiforex here. Welcome to another brand new video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my Google AdSense pins verification process on how I did to get it right here in my country. So this process which I'm going to be sharing with you is going to be helping you regardless of the country that you are in to be able to get your own pin without any delayance or hassle. You may be wondering, what am I doing with two Google verification pin? Do I have two YouTube channels which I am seeking to monetize? No, I have one YouTube channel for now, which is Camiforex. And what happened was that I requested for the first pin, it came, but we didn't have any post office that I could really follow through. And it had to be at the post office. And the second time, which I requested again, another one still came in again, and these are the two. So I'm going to be sharing with you how I did to get this so that it's going to be helping you to be able to request for yours. So it was last year, 2023, when I started my YouTube channel, which was June 22. I posted my first YouTube video, and from there, I have been struggling with procrastination to keep consistency in posting. But when I traveled to Nigeria for vacation, that was when I got my first breakthrough on YouTube, whereby I interviewed a Forex trader who had made over $300,000 from the Forex industry in less than 2 years. And from there, that video blew up. And within 2 weeks, I got monetized by hitting the 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers landmark which YouTube requires. But from that point, I had to create a Google Ads account for my account to be able to start receiving money from reviews that I was getting. So since I was in Nigeria at that time, I created my account, and unfortunately, when I returned back to Cameroon, I tried to verify my ID card or to verify my account. They said I couldn't go. So all the money I made in that account, I had to delete that account and lose all of those money. So I recreated a new account with my Cameroonian ID or IP address. And it is this new account that I was now seeking to verify the address. And in our country here, we don't have a good system whereby somebody can send you something and you just sit at the comfort of your home and you receive it. So this method which I'll be sharing with you is going to be working for you even if you are not in my country, Cameroon. You can apply it in any African country where you face the same challenge like me, and it's going to be working for you. So the first pin which I requested was on April 21, and the second one was on May 21. So what happened was that when this pin came, the first one came which I requested, I just had my address, all right, my address and street. But since we don't have a good delivery system, it came, but there was no way they could locate me. So my name was on the parcel. Let me see. My name was on the parcel, as you can see. So since my name is on it, then my address is below. Then they will put my country there, Cameroon, which you can see right here, which you can see here, Cameroon. So it came, and this arrived Cameroon about the 10th of May. I requested on the 21st of April, and the 10th of May it came in. So there was no way they could reach out to me. They had to use this name that I have here to search for me on all social media platforms. Unfortunately, the name I carry is my brand name on social media platform, which is Camiforex. So the only place they could get me was on LinkedIn, whereby my full names are there since I have a LinkedIn account. And they texted me on the 10th of May that I have a Google pin, or I have a parcel from Google, and it's about Google verification pin. So I hardly open my LinkedIn, and it was just few days back, which I am now in June, like about the 17th of June, that I had to open my LinkedIn. Going through, I saw messages, and I want to open my message box. I discovered that I have had message since the 10th saying that my Google pin. And from that May 10th to 23rd of May, I think I did not receive it, or I did not hear anybody calling me. I had to reach out to a couple of friends whom have received theirs before, and they gave me an advice that I need to put a post address. So they gave me a post address, but at the end of that post address, I should attach my mobile phone number on it so that once the pin arrives the post office, they can use the mobile number here and be able to reach out to me. And this is what I did. So when I finally replied on LinkedIn, I collected this one. The following day, I received a call now following this one. So you can see now that this address here is a little bit longer than the first one. and my phone number was there. So first thing is, this is the advice I'm going to be giving you. If you need to request for a PIN, I will advise you to start by looking for a post address in your city. If you are living in a small city, you should do well to ask questions like, where can I get the post office of our city? If you have to travel to a next town, you should go to that town and get their post address. When you get their post address, you give them your name that they are going to be sending you a parcel. Within 1 week, the parcel arrives. So from there, you are rest assured that they are going to be sending your address at that post address name, not your own home address, because it's not necessary. You can put any address. The goal for Google is that you should receive this PIN and put it in your account to verify it. The next thing I will also advise you to do is, if you do not have any means to know where any post office is in your country, put your normal home address, put the city that you are based in, and put your phone number at the end of it. Once it arrives, they are going to call you. So now I now have two PIN that have arrived. I was going to be requesting the third one if this didn't come, but either of this one I'm still going to use the verify, whether it's the first one that came or the second one. Any of the three pins or the three times that you request for the pins, you are still going to be using them. I hope this video is helpful to you. So I'm going to be sharing my screen on how I'm going to be verifying this. At the same time, I'll show you the message which I requested for my pin some months back. And see, these are the two messages. The first one which I requested here was on the 21st of April 2024. You can see your PIN has been shipped. We sent a personal identification number mailer on this day, and it was this PIN that came, and they wrote me on the 10th of May. And the second one which I requested now was on the 23rd. As you can see, this is the same 23rd again here. All right, your PIN had arrived. So all I have to do is to go ahead, unbox this, and input this PIN in my back office in my AdSense. So this is going to be helping you now. If you're a blogger or you have a website, you can be able to carry on with blogging more, knowing that you are going to be earning a token from whatsoever you are doing. If you're a YouTuber, then this is also going to go a long way to assist you to be able to start earning something from your hard work. So if you're in Cameroon and you wish to request for your own PIN, my phone number is on the link tree under this video. You click there, you write me on WhatsApp. I'm going to be giving you directives on how you can get yours. So if you're in a big town like Yaoundé, Douala, it's going to be difficult because you won't be able to identify which post office can come in. But if you are in towns like Boya, Bamenda, they have just 1 or 2 post office maximum. So when these mails come, they easily ship them to those towns that have smaller post office, and you can easily sort them out. But if you're in a town like Douala has more than 15 post office and you don't know their location. So I'll advise that you rather use an address of a town that is having smaller population but has a post office, so that when it comes from this bigger town, they can sort them down out and send them down to those smaller towns, and you can easily get them. But the best thing to do is, even if you put your home address, put your phone number at the end and the town that you are based in. It is very important. This way, you'll be rest assured that you have a 50-50 chance that when they see it, they are going to see the address and they will call you from it. So once you are at your Google AdSense back office, you come down to payments. Once you're on payments, you go down to verification check. From here, you can see my identity is already completed, and what was left was my Google verification PIN. So I have to put this PIN here. You can see the day that they sent the second one was on May 23rd. So I'm going to be unboxing this now. So they say we start by tearing these edges. So let me unbox it the way it's supposed to be. Okay, then I have to tear this side too. So this is it, instruction, blah blah blah. As you can see, this is my PIN. All right, this is my PIN here, like that. This is my PIN. So we are going to go ahead to input this PIN. So we are inputting it now, and we click on submit. So let's see how it goes. So you can see my address has been verified. So this one now is invalid. So either of these two that have arrived will still work. So I decided to use this one. So you can now see on my screen that I am fully verified. So I'm just going to go ahead to unbox this one too. All right, since it is now useless, let's still also unbox this. And at least I know now that my channel is fully monetized because I can now withdraw my earnings. I can now withdraw my earnings. The same thing. Okay, it's the same code. Yeah, it's the same code. So the pin is the same code. Oh, I see. So whether you receive, you can see whether you receive the first one or the second one, all of it is the same code. I don't know if you can see my hands very well. Anyway, guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. This was just to give you an insight on how I did to receive my pin, and I know out there you can be struggling to get your own verification pin and be wondering, the problem is not to get this pin to verify. The problem is, are you going to be consistent to make videos? As you already know, if you're a content creator, making video is not easy. So I encourage you to subscribe to support my YouTube channel, and also like this video, and please share this video to any aspiring YouTuber who is looking forward to either on a website whereby he can be doing blogging, or have a YouTube channel whereby they'll be able to start making money. So good luck to everyone out there, and if you want to get your own pin and you're facing challenges, the link is in the description video to reach out to me on WhatsApp. I'm going to be pleased to put you through. So see you in my next video, guys. I'm a Forex trader, and as you already know, I make videos around Forex trader. And if you'd like to stick around, please click on the subscribe button again to make sure that each time I drop awesome videos, you are going to be notified. Love you all. Peace.